So earlier today, I traveled from Sofia to Plovdiv, Bulgaria's second biggest city. Its population is about 348,000. It's a 2-hour direct bus ride, so it's quite easy. And when I get to my hotel, they handed me this. An actual map. Which is kinda neat because, you know, everyone's got Google Maps these days. So I kinda miss having an actual map of an area. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna walk around this avenue all the way down to the bridge, and then on the way back I'm gonna swing to the old town, explore all the popular sites, and then maybe have coffee or dinner at Kapana area. So apparently that's where all the restaurants are. I love that they have this really nice park on my right hand side because it's only beginning of May. I can almost feel the harsh Eastern European summer. I'm not sure if the receptionist was just having me on because so far there's nothing special in the street. It's just a street. Yeah, this is a very nice walk. You're literally next to the main road. Well, this is a disaster. I just got to the end of the road where it meets the bridge, but then I don't think anyone is allowed to go on it, so I kind of have to come back. Let's find our way back to the old town. Well, I'm gonna try going down this road, see if it takes me somewhere interesting. Because so far it's not been good. Good morning. So yesterday was a write-off. First, I got lost. I thought I was following the road that the hotel receptionist was telling me to go, but as it turns out, I was on the wrong road. I wasn't using Google Map, I was using the actual printed version of a map. So that wasn't good. And second, yesterday was a really bad pollen day. So it's late springtime and there's just so many pollens in the air, and yeah, my hay fever was just uncontrollable. I couldn't stop sneezing and I had a headache, so I thought I might just as well go back to the hotel and relax and do the exploring today. So yeah, that's what we'll do. This road is where I was meant to be yesterday, but you know, things happen. The buildings here look incredibly beautiful. This is my favorite street in Plovdiv so far. It's pedestrianized and lined with ancient trees. So this area is called Kapana, where they have loads of small shops and cafes, including Central Park. So this is Plovdiv's old town. It's built on top of a hill, so keep that in mind if you're visiting. There's gonna be a lot of walking up. Well, just in front of me is the old gate to the old town. It looks epic. This is one of the gates of the old town. Oh wow, look at that. I was just reading a sign outside of the house, and it's called Georgiani House, and it's an example of Bulgarian revival architecture. I feel like I'm being transported to the Middle Ages, or even before that. I visited quite a lot of old towns in various cities that I've been so far, but this old town is definitely one of the best. I know that, you know, it's an idealized version of what it used to look like, but it is still quite nice to explore. So that's Plovdiv's old town. I'm gonna head back and find a cafe for breakfast. That's where I'm heading next, this way. Right beside me is the ancient theater of Philopopolis. It kind of reminds me of the theater in Athens, the Odeon of Herodes Atticus. I love that they have to put that there. I'm just reading the inscription here. This is the ancient stadium of Philopopolis. It's built in the 2nd century. So this is the end of my short visit in Plovdiv. I really like this city. It's so easy to explore everything. Everything is almost within a walking distance. And I love how most of their streets are lined with trees. It's not good from a hay fever, but otherwise it looks incredibly good. They also have this massive park next to the city center, which is quite a nice refuge from the hustle and bustle of the city, and also an escape from the heat of the sun. I'm heading to the bus station now to go back to Sofia, and I will see you in the next video. Kita kits, or as you say here in Bulgaria, do skoro!